This is Hita. Known as Little Kyoto, without the foot traffic. 2025 December though. Maybe in a few years that might change. It's pretty cool. Former home of Hiro's Anso. Little viewing around. Oh, that's cute. Kawaii. Sumimasen. Ooh. The flavor. Doing some roof repair. Not sure if it's UNESCO, but I'm sure there's some kind of governing body that says you have to make it look and feel the same style to preserve. Is this a way through or just a parking lot? Ooh, I think just a parking lot. Oh, yeah. No passway. Alright, let's go to the main trail. Not sure what this place is. Post office? Bureaucratic building? Lots of souvenirs. Soju, sake. Chain store. Kimonos. Delivery guy. Oh, post office. Ah. Let's check out this bridge. I think there's a river. nice architecture, a lot of souvenir stores, stuff like that. Oh. We got some mountains. Oh. This is a pathway. Made in China. Hita is known for a unique take on yakisoba, where the noodles are a bit more crispy, a bit more fried. So, it's 11 o'clock. Let's go find some noodles, yakisoba. Pretty off the beaten path of a city. I've had a few questions when I went out to a jazz bar saying, why are you here? And I'm here because I was in Mount Aso. I didn't want to do a 3-hour bus ride to Fukuoka, and Hita is halfway. And also, ChatGPT recommended it, so two buses, a little over an hour each, one day and one night in Hita beats one long bus ride. Here looks a bit more contemporary. Let's look at this noodle spot I have on the phone. I think it opens at 11. Yes. 4.7. Right by a pharmacy. Alright. It's called Ohio goes Manzai. Ohio goes Ohio Gomazai. Gozamasu. Here we go. Here's the spot. Okay, we got it. Delicious. Let's dig in.